studied so far. Assuming that you have well versed with the subject, I'm continuing with this subject, that is information and network security. Fine. So syllabus goes like this. The first chapter you have introduction, where you're going to study the basics of cryptography, I can say. That means in each, okay, one second. So, in this chapter, you're going to study the basics of cryptography. I mean, in ancient days, whatever the methods they have used for the encryption and the decryption, that you will be studying under this. Okay, and the next chapter is hash function. You might have studied in networks the hash function schemes, right? So here you're going to study about the same, but in considering different examples. Okay, and here you also going to study the hash marks, where, and also the tiger hashing function, and also the information hiding using a picture related to image, everything you're going to study under this hash function, right? You're going to study in this subject as well, but in detail you're going to study like why do we need random numbers, how it is generated, what are the different techniques used to generate this random numbers, and whenever we use random numbers as key in any of the encryption or decryption methods, the freshness should be maintained. That means each and every time that whenever you use the keys, it should be very unique, right? The repetition should not be there, or the pattern should not be followed, right? So all that you're going to study under random number generation. And the next module is related with key management fundamentals. In this module, you're going to study about the digital signature, why it is used, when it is used, and what are the different scenarios where we come across about this digital signature and all that you're going to study under this module. And the last module is about the cryptographic applications. See, in this chapter, you're going to study different applications where you're going to study the company day-to-day life, like using smart cards, and also how the video conferencing is done or video call is done. So all that applications you're going to study under this module, and along with that, you will see how the keys are used to provide the security for the applications that we are going to study under this subject. I mean, in this module. Okay. So once you understood what are the topics you are going to study under this subject, let me discuss with the course outcome. So course outcome is what once you complete studying this information and network security, what the students will take away. So that we say the course outcome. The first one here is analyze the digital security lapses. See, this first course outcome is related to the first two modules. The first module where I said about the introduction, and the second one about hash function. So you can see here digital security lapses. So which means what? There are loopholes or flaws when certain methods are used to provide the security, right? So how would, see, if we study one particular method, we also study it right? So there may be a loophole, or there may be the methods because of which a new method is used, right? So with this first course outcome, that is analyze what encryption and decryption method is based on keys, right? So how these keys are generated, what kinds of keys are used. So those will be the random numbers, right? So that's why the second course outcome, that is illustrating the need of key management, is related, or you will understand completely about the key management if you study the random number generation, key management fundamentals, and also cryptographic application. See, in cryptographic application, we'll see how the keys are used in providing security to the application. So this is all about the course outcome. And the textbook you are supposed to refer for this subject is listed in the slide. Okay. Can you see, are you able to see the slides? Yes. Please someone do reply. Are you able to see this slide? Someone do reply. Is the slide visible? Not visible? Yes? Okay. So the textbook I need to follow for this subject is Information Security Principles and Practice, and at second edition. Okay. The author name is Mark Samwell. Okay. The second textbook, Everyday Cryptography, Fundamental Principles and Applications, written by Keith M. Martin. Fine. And also the reference book given in your syllabus is Applied Cryptography Protocols, Algorithms, and Source Code. Right? So these are the textbooks you are supposed to study for this. Okay. And next, I'll just show you the pic of the textbook. So this is the first textbook you are supposed to follow for first two modules, that is module 1 and 2, where I said introduction and the hash function topics are covered. Okay, this is the first book, Information Security Principles and Practice. Right. So the author name is given here, Mark Stamp, and the publication is Willie. Right. So in this textbook, you are supposed to study the first and second module. First module and the second module, the syllabus is given in this chapter. Okay. And next textbook is this one. One second. Yeah, this one. Everyday Cryptography, Fundamental Principles and Applications. Okay. So this is written by Keith Martin. Under this chapter, this textbook, you have to study third module, fourth module, number generation, and the second one is key management, and the third one is cryptographic application. Okay, so this is with respect to your syllabus, course outcome, and textbook. Fine. So the next thing is which one? Yeah. Syllabus, as I said, the subject code is 17CS743. Okay, and the IA marks is for 40, and the exam marks. Exam is conducted for 100 marks, but later on it is reduced to 60 marks. Fine. So in first module, as we discussed, it's about the introduction introduction, where in the ancient methods, in ancient period, what are the methods used? Those topics are given here, and this is with respect to hash function and random number generation, key management fundamentals, and cryptographic applications. Course outcome is also given here and the textbook. Okay. So now let's discuss about what is information and network security. Information security. So that is what the subject name is all about, right? So 1 second. Cryptography. Yeah. Let me share the slide. Okay. So I hope is the screen visible? The slide which I am sharing, is it visible? Yes, someone please answer. Is the screen visible? Yes. Please reply. Not visible. 1 second. Just on it. Share it. Just check. Is it visible? No. Okay, anyway, I just do want to discuss what is information security and network security. Let me discuss that. What is information security? Or just tell me what is uh, information, or you just tell me what is information security. Yes, anyone? Yes. Because we need to know what exactly the subject name says, isn't it? So tell me, what is information security? Yes, please answer. No answer? Okay. So, as you know, each and every day, the data will be generated as and when users uses internet, right? So, if we use a phone, well, if you use internet at your cell phone or in your laptop or in your desktop, wherever, if you use internet, you may every time, each and every second, you generate lots of data, right? Yes or no? Or you can say lots of information. So this information, let me consider I'm chatting through a WhatsApp with my friend, then whatever information sent or the messages sent in between my number and my friend's number, it should be secured, right? So security plays a very important role nowadays. So we don't want anyone to know what each other's sharing the message, isn't it? So this information security refers to the process, or you can say methodologies that are used. So the different processes or the methods which are used to implement meant to protect the electronic data or whatever that we are sharing between user to user should be access of our data from unauthorized person, that we call it as a information security, right? I hope this point is clear to everyone, right? Okay. Next, the next is network security. What is network security? So this network security is the security which we are providing it to the network from the unauthorized access. So it's a simple statement. So what steps we have to take? See, each and every network. See, if you are using network at your home, any internet service provider, it may be Airtel, Tata, or whatever, whatever internet you are using at your place, the network administrators should provide such measures, right? So they have to protect the network that we are using at our place or in any organization. Network security, if I say in a simple word. Okay. So what is information security? So the process of the methodology of protecting the network from unauthorized access. So it is a simple definition for the subject name, information and network security. From the network admin to provide security to the network, we are going to study in detail in this subject. Okay. Am I clear to everyone? Are you able to follow what I am explaining now? Yes? Someone please do reply. There is a network issue here. I don't know I'm able to reach you or not. Somebody please reply me in the chat. Yes? Someone please unmute and answer me. I don't know. Is my voice audible to everyone or not? Am I clear to everyone? Yes? Shreya? Okay. Yeah, I
Hello,
hope
ma'am. Yes.
whatever I explained till now is clear for you, right? So any doubts you need to discuss in the class, like with respect to this subject or any other things related to this semester? Any doubts to anyone?